Hi, today I'll show you how to set date and time on Canon EOS M10. Let's turn on the camera, then press menu. After that, find date and time. You can also change the time zone. And now you can change your time, data, and press OK. As you can see, date and time has changed. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.